Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and fantastic day today. We're going to be talking about the Cash App here, and we're going to be seeing if this is a good broker for you guys to start investing. So as we go ahead and pull up the Cash App right now, the Cash App makes it very easy to actually send money, receive money, and it's very similar to Venmo for those of you that don't know what the Cash App is. It really was designed to send people money, pay people money, receive money, and they do have these things called boosts. So if let's say we want to get 10% off Popeyes, we want to get $1 off coffee, we want to get $3 off AMC, $1 off Taco Bell, $5 off Wish, 10% off Nike, $5 off any grocery store, and $1 off Five Guys, 10% off Best Buy, and like a ton of other ones, as you guys can see. So as we go through this app and we actually go to the investing platform on it, they do have this new feature where you can buy and sell stock. One thing that makes this stand out from other brokers is the ability to buy stock with as little as $1. Okay, so I can buy a share of Disney for $1. Yes, Disney is currently trading at, like, let's go ahead and look. Disney is currently trading at $150, but I can buy it for $1. Okay, so obviously the more you invest, the more you make, the more you're gonna lose, but $1 can definitely get you going in the right direction, I would say. So how do dividends and everything else work on this? Well, dividends work as the same way as you buy a stock. So if let's say you buy the full amount of a dividend, so if let's say we, just for an example here, we buy a stock for $100 and they do offer a $1 dividend, okay? And if we put $1 into that $100 stock, we're not gonna get that $1 dividend. We're gonna get the 0.01% of that dividend. So roughly 1 cent, if that makes sense. So it's all percentage based. It's really useful. So we're gonna be actually doing some buying, some selling, just so you guys can see it in action during a trading day. Now the market does have 1 minute before it closes. I didn't even realize this. So I want to get an order in for Disney for another $1 here. So we're going to click $1, click next, let it load up, and it looks like we just missed the cutoff. But honestly, as you guys can see, they do not charge any fees, and they do have the approximate shares we're going to buy with it. So it's 0.07% of a full share. And honestly, this is really useful for people who are just trying to get started in the game of investing. So as we guys, we can schedule it, and obviously this will go ahead and boom. So it will be placed tomorrow at 9:30, and obviously if it was during the market hours, it would have been placed that second and that day. So we click done, and technically we do have an order pending for $1. So let's go ahead and go back and let's go to my portfolio so you guys can kind of see like the layout on how it looks once you actually buy stock. So it does look like I am up 4 cents. Cha-ching! I am up 4 cents on a $7 investment, and my portfolio consists of Tesla, Disney, and Amazon. My watch list, I really haven't messed with it. It's just kind of like the standard watch list that it comes with. So one thing that they do have is the most traded monthly. So you can go ahead and move through, and you can kind of buy with the most traded monthly. I think that's kind of a cool and easy feature that they have. They do have the biggest movers on the day. So we do have Roku, Trade Desk down, a ton of stocks that have just been getting nailed today. So then you guys can see this little, we wrote a book to teach people about investing. Don't worry, it's mostly pictures. So if you click learn more, you guys can go ahead and see everything about someone's first stock. I'm not sure. But so really they do make it super easy. They do have all the time frames available. So on the daily, I'm up 4 cents. On the weekly, I'm down 1 cent. On the monthly, I'm up 4 cents, and yearly is the same because I've only done this a couple of times. So if let's say we want to be a little more risky, we can go to this Bitcoin tab and we can click buy. Same thing, $1. That's actually show you guys how to do this. So we click next, and we're obviously only going to invest $1. So instead of schedule, it says confirm. So we're going to just click confirm here, and it's instantly going to be taken out of my debit card that I have linked to it. So as you guys can see, I do have it purchased here. So we can go ahead and click done. Congrats, you bought your first Bitcoin. Track its performance with these charts here. So you guys can go ahead and see. So now let's say we're tired of Bitcoin. So let's click sell here. We're going to go ahead and, oh, they do have a 1 cent fee. And right there, I do not like it. I don't like that. Because if that's, say you have $10, that's 10 cents. If you have $100, that's $1. And with the $100 investment, you're already down 1% instantly. So not a big fan of that. But we're going to go ahead, click confirm just to get out of it. All right, so we're done with it. And as you guys can see, we're down. But it's all right. It's kind of a cool little feature that they have. I'm more interested in the stock part, and I hope you guys are too. So dividends work the same as the amount of shares that you do purchase. You just get that percentage of the share with that stock. So it's not too confusing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something. And Cash App, I like what you're doing. I like what you're doing. Maybe we'll do a little series on you. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, drop subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. And as you guys can tell, I haven't made a video lately. It's because I've been moving and my room is trashed, and I'm trying to find the best place to film for you guys. So if you guys want to get $5 by signing up with the Cash App, go ahead. That'll be a link down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a good one. Take care.